If I could have sunshine every day, I would take my lunchtime on the lake. I would take a guitar to serenade anybody out there listening. If you keep reminiscing on the bad times, you won't have enough time to enjoy all the good times. Good vibrations are around the corner waiting. If you just stay patient, you might see the sunshine breaking.
1, 2, rock up the place like.
Yeah.
See what you done for me. See as you set me free, and after Calvary, you still could take it on. This your love with energy, if better go pay me. This your love, na remedy, now your grace they cover me. And yeah, you give me a salvation, salvation. And yeah, you give me a salvation, salvation. And yeah, you give me a salvation, salvation. And yeah, you give me a salvation, salvation.
I guess my cares on my daddy. You're holy, you're righteous and mighty. On the mountain and in the valley, you're always with me. I give my all, cause
If I could have sunshine every day, I'd probably go and share what was on my plate. If I had enough for the day, I could give it all away just to brighten up a face. Yeah, I quit the 9 to 5 so I could have more time to rise and shine, to live my life, to be a light, live a little more like Jesus Christ. If I could have everything that I have ever wanted, I'd be left with nothing. If I'm really